Hello everyone, my name is MB Park and today I will be presenting my customer profile and personal assignment for Starbucks and the ice brown sugar oatmeal shaking espresso. In this presentation, I like to explain how I use AI to create the original customer profile and personal and what AI did and what it went wrong or like gotten wrong, how I improve it without AI on the second part, and finally, I will reflect on using AI in the marketing. As for this assignment, I use ChatGPT to create both the customer profile and the portfolio for the first part, so personal. So I started by asking ChatGPT to create me a Starbucks customer profile. First, for the ice brown sugar, uh, oatmeal shaking espresso, using like a random name, which I used the Ethan one. Um, I also asked to include demographic, geographic, geographic, and behavior information. After that, I after that was created, I asked to create a one-page customer personal graphic based on profile that they had created on the first one. The first result wasn't that good because it was just a random and it didn't came out exactly I wanted. So I changed my prompt 7 times. I asked it to make get like real Starbucks research stuff with that information, make that person like it is a regular to make a create a better visual layout. It took multiple attempts, but I was happy at the end of the result. For overall, I think AI did a good job creating a complete customer profile. It includes all four target market value and organized the information clearly. However, there were also some problems that I didn't like because it wasn't honestly handmade. So for the second vision, I made it more and more of my words less like formal because the AI made was too formal and was using like marketing language that didn't feel natural. Some words were too generic and some information seems like it was like taking a guess than a research. So I didn't like that about the AI that was created on the first one. So, for example, to be clear, AI was guessing the personal trait, insert, and shopping behavior without proving evidence. There were natural wrong, but wasn't true either. I also noticed that some wording was like sounding like not like not like talking about the person, it was talking about advertising that person like for a real customer profile. Then a real personal customer profile. After researching Starbucks and the product, I found had many parts were realistic. Where I guess AI was a little right on that, such as using the Starbucks research app, and I use a mobile and before work. I still wanted the profile to sound more natural and be on a true side. So, without AI, I improved that. I rewrote my customer profile using my own words. I simplified the language and removed many of over this guessing thing they put. So, for example, instead of fast-paced professional who start his morning early and prefer product that save time without sacrificing quality. I changed to my own words, who's like saying to, oh, busy professional who like to save time and stay organized, which is better, I'm guessing, but maybe not. I also updated several section to it so they match with others better and create a more better for that group to improve the target market even more. I use the Prim 5 cluster that best match its customer, the personal respect a young urban professional who value convenience, technology, and premier coffee while um, maintaining a busy lifestyle. Overall, I think my reserve version sound more natural and would be better for anyone else to understand, like for a regular customer to understand. Uh, for this project, it changed how I think about n- not using AI, I guess. AI is good for creating ideas, I guess, giving a starting point, but I shouldn't be trusting without checking the information because AI doesn't give the truth. It gives like, oh, it might be this by this. And if I had worked with Starbucks, I would not be submitting an AI generated version by itself because I will have to review it and verify the information and make changes before submitting it. I also think employees would expect employees to be honest about using AI, especially if it's hype over the work. If an employee submitted AI generated work with mistake or make up information, it could damage the whole company or the product, and that trust wouldn't be in their work system. In the future, I will contribute maybe using little AI, but and but I will always have to review it if I do and add and check before using it, or I will have to think everything from the start. Um, thank you for watching my presentation. This assignment showed me that AI can be helpful for getting idea and for the marketing, but I will still need human review and provide to produce accuracy and professional work.